students, welcome to College for our classes. So today from class 7th science I am going to take the chapter 7, that is weather, climate and adaptation of animals to climate. So this is the second part of this chapter. In the first part I have discussed about weather. Today I will be discussing about climate and adaptation of animal to climate. Okay? So for the adaptation we will be discussing for the polar region adaptation of animals and also in the tropical region. Okay? So first let's start with climate, and if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please do subscribe it so that you can get the daily updates of the videos which we are uploading. Okay? So meteorologists, they record the weather for every day. We have seen in the part 1, if you will go, you will get the detail of the weather. We have got to see that these meteorologists, they record the weather for every day. जो meteorologists होते हैं वो क्या करते हैं, हर दिन का weather record करते हैं. Okay, every day weather they record. Now what happens, the record of the weather have been preserved for the past several decades. ये जो record है weather का बहुत पुराने समय से इसको preserve करके रखा गया. From the past several decades it has been preserved. Okay, so how does this help us? The records that have been preserved, how does this helps us? This helps us to determine the weather pattern of a particular place. Okay, अब पूरा एक रिकॉर्ड है हमारे पास लास्ट बहुत सारे इयर्स का, किसी पर्टिकुलर प्लेस का, किसी पर्टिकुलर कंट्री का. सो व्हाट वी गेट टू नो दैट एक पैटर्न हमें मिलेगा कि हाँ इस पर्टिकुलर कंट्री में क्या है, या किसी कंट्री के अंदर किसी पर्टिकुलर स्टेट में क्या है कि यहाँ पे टेम्परेचर बहुत हाई रहता है, मीन्स बहुत हॉट रहता है वहाँ, या कहीं का हमें रिकॉर्ड मिल रहा है कि हाँ एक एवरेज अगर हम रिकॉर्ड निकालते हैं और देखते हैं तो वहाँ पे हमेशा टेम्परेचर बहुत लो रहता है, मीन्स वो एक कोल्ड प्लेस है. ओके, सो वी गेट अ पैटर्न. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट weather is recorded. Weather is recorded every day. Okay, weather is recorded every day, and the record is being preserved from several decades. Okay, these records have been preserved from several decades. So this records gives us a pattern of a particular place. Okay, so this record gives the pattern of weather. Okay, whether it is cold or hot or it's very wet, it's very dry, whatever it is. So the record gives us the pattern of weather for a particular place. Okay, so I hope you are getting me what I want to tell. I just wanted to tell that कि एक record prepare किया जाता है weather का हर दिन, और बहुत several decades से इन records को रखा जाता है, जिससे क्या है कि एक pattern हमें मिल सके, हमें पता चल सके कि हाँ इस particular area, particular state में या particular country में क्या है कि हमेशा एक इस टाइप का weather होता है, ठंडा है, गर्म है, ड्राई है, वेट है, जो जिस भी पैटर्न का weather हमें मिले, एक एवरेज हम उसका फाइंड कर सकें. ओके, सो द एवरेज weather pattern taken for a long time. Okay, what is the average weather pattern that is taken from a long time, say for 25 years, is called the climate of a place. Okay, weather हमने देखा, weather क्या है, particular दिन का. If you will go in the first part, you will get to know weather हर particular दिन का है. आज weather में भी बहुत cold है, कल hot भी हो सकता है. ठीक है, तो weather क्या fluctuates. It can be, it can change day to day then we say that the climate of that place is what? It's hot. Temperature high है तो climate कैसा होगा उस place का? Hot होगा. Okay? So, एक एग्जांपल देखते हैं टेम्परेचर ऑफ प्लेस इज वेरी हाई. अब टेम्परेचर ज्यादा है मींस गर्मी ज्यादा है. इट मींस वो जो पर्टिकुलर प्लेस है वो कैसा क्लाइमेट होगा? हॉट क्लाइमेट होगा वहां. ओके, उस प्लेस का क्लाइमेट कैसा होगा? हॉट क्लाइमेट होगा. Now if there is a place where a heavy rainfall occurs most of the days. Most of the days there is a rainfall occurs. Then we can say that the climate of that place is what? It's wet. Okay. Most of our days rainfall occurs. What type of climate is that? It's a wet climate. Okay? We can get some of the examples like for hot place. There is Kerala and all that is having hot place. For wet climate in India, you can see Cherrapunji is there. Now the next is that suppose the temperature is high mostly and also there is rainfall in most of the days. So here which type of climate will be there? The climate will be hot and wet. क्योंकि यहाँ पे temperature भी high होता है, climate कैसा होगा? hot. और यहाँ पे rainfall भी अक्सर हो जाती है, तो climate कैसा होगा? wet. Hot and wet climate. Okay? So are you getting my point? How we can decide the climate of a place? जहाँ पे temperature बहुत high है, जहाँ गर्मी बहुत है, वो hot climate हो गया वहाँ. जहाँ पे mostly rainfall होती है वहाँ का wet climate हो गया. जहाँ कोई ऐसी जगह होगी जहाँ का temperature भी high रहता है, rainfall भी mostly रहती है, तो hot and wet climate हो गया. If the temperature is high during most part of the year, okay? Suppose there is a place where in the most part of the year the temperature is very high. ज़्यादातर months में क्या होगा? Temperature बहुत high होगा, but winters will also come. Winters भी आएंगे वहाँ पे. It will last only for few months, like 2.5 months. Okay? So the temperature is quite low when winter will come. So this region receives a little rainfall. ऐसा कोई region होगा जहाँ पे little rainfall होगी. So it's what a typical desert climate. कैसा climate होगा वहाँ का? Desert climate होगा, hot and dry होगा. जैसे example में ले राजस्थान है इंडिया में जहाँ पे hot and dry climate होता है. Okay? So राजस्थान का अगर climate देखें, desert area, वहाँ का climate कैसा है? Hot and dry climate. Okay? राजस्थान जैसी places जो कि desert area है, वहाँ का climate कैसा होगा? Hot and dry. अब नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न की तरफ आ जाइए इंडिया में, जो नॉर्थ ईस्ट एरिया जो कि रिसीव करती है क्या? मेजॉरिटी ऑफ रेनफॉल्स इट रिसीव्स. ओके, सो therefore we can say that the climate of that area is wet. Okay, so for wet climate example you can see the northeast. Okay, and temperature is high in where? South की तरफ आप चले जाओ, केरला So let's discuss the climate and the adaptation of animals. How these animals they adapt themselves to different climate. Animals अपने आप को different climates में कैसे adapt करते हैं, कैसे वो रहते हैं, या किस क्या adaptation उनका या किसी भी तरीके का evolution होता है. All these we are going to discuss. Okay, so we all know that climate has got a deep effect on living organisms. The type of climate in which we live has got a different effects on our life. Okay, so animals are adapted to survive in the condition in which they live. Okay, animals क्या होते हैं? They are adapted to the condition to survive in the condition in which they live. Okay, जिस condition में वो रहते हैं, suppose condition क्या है? बहुत hot place के animals रहते हैं, तो वो उस तरीके का उनका adaptation होगा कि हाँ वो hot place पे survive कर सके. कोई animals होंगे जो बहुत close place पे होंगे, तो उनका उस टाइप का adaptation होगा, बहुत furry hairs होंगे उनके जिससे उनको ठंड कम लग सके, या जो भी adaptation होगा तो वो उनका adaptation होगा जिससे कि वो cold place पे रह सके. Deserts में आप चले जाइए तो वहाँ पे आपने देखा है कि camels इस तरीके से adapted है कि उनके feet ऐसे हैं कि they can walk very nicely in the deserts. Okay, so this is different animals have different kind of adaptation. Animals which lives at very cold and hot climate must possess special features, कुछ special features होंगे उनके पास to protect themselves against the extreme cold or heat. Okay, so animals living in very cold and hot places. Animals living in very cold and hot places. What they do? They purchase special features. Okay, they possess special features. ये special features इनके क्यों होंगे? ये special features इसलिए होंगे so that they can protect themselves against the extreme cold or hot. Okay, so they possess special features to protect themselves from extreme cold or hot. Okay, so here today we will be discussing about the animals that live in the polar region and tropical rainforest. कौन कौन सा हम डिस्कस करेंगे? पोलर रीजन के एनिमल्स को डिस्कस करेंगे एंड ट्रॉपिकल rainforest. Okay, अब पोलर रीजन के एनिमल्स की बात करें तो पोलर रीजन्स आर विच रीजन्स? पोलर रीजन कौन से होंगे? वो रीजन्स हैं पोलर रीजन जो सिचुएटेड है यहाँ पे पोल्स पे, आइदर नॉर्थ पोल और साउथ पोल. ओके, सो पोलर रीजन्स आर सिचुएटेड नियर पोल्स, दैट इज आइदर नॉर्थ पोल और साउथ पोल. पोलर रीजन क्या होंगे? जो कि कहाँ पे सिचुएटेड है? सिचुएटेड एट पोल्स. नॉर्थ पोल होगा या साउथ पोल होगा. ओके, सो सम वेल नोन कंट्रीज दैट बिलोंग टू पोलर रीजन, देयर आर सम वेल नोन कंट्रीज व्हिच बिलोंग टू पोलर रीजन लाइक Canada is there, Greenland is there, Iceland is there, Norway is there, Sweden is there, Finland is there, and if we see in USA, the polar region is Alaska. Alaska is a polar region, and if we go in Russia, there is Siberia. Okay, Siberia is a polar region. Okay, so some well-known places which are polar region, I have given you some of the name. So what happens in these polar regions? These regions they are covered with snow. क्या होता है? बिल्कुल snow से covered होते हैं, and they are very cold for most part of the set at the poles. 6 months के लिए क्या होगा कि सन सेट ही नहीं करेगा पोल्स पे, मीन्स आपको रात के 12 बजे भी क्या दिखेगा, उजाला दिखाई देगा. और for the next 6 months what happens, the sun do not rise. 6 महीने सन आएगा ही नहीं, बिल्कुल ठंड पड़ेगी, पूरा स्नो फॉल होगा. ओके, तो यहाँ पे 6 months का फेज होगा. 6 months sun do not set and for next 6 months sun do not rise. Okay, sun is not going to rise and for the 6 months sun do not set. Okay, so in winters here it is very cold. The temperature here goes as low as -37 degree C. Okay, so winters are very cold. Temperature goes -37 degree C. ठीक है, तो एडाप्टेशन में हम किसका डिस्कशन करेंगे, पोलर रीजन का डिस्कशन करेंगे और ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट का डिस्कस करेंगे. ओके, अभी हम ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट का डिस्कस करेंगे जिसमें कि हम इंडिया एंड डिफरेंट कंट्रीज का डिस्कशन करेंगे. पोलर रीजन के बारे में थोड़ा सा आप आइडिया ले लीजिए. पोलर रीजन कौन से होते हैं, दैट आर सिचुएटेड एट पोल्स. पोल्स क्या है, आपने ज्योग्राफी में या सोशल स्टडीज में पढ़ा होगा, पूरा इक्वेटर एंड ऑल नॉर्थ पोल साउथ पोल. तो जो पोल्स पे रहती हैं कंट्रीज उनको पोलर कंट्रीज कहते हैं, पोलर रीजन है. जो नॉर्थ पोल या साउथ पोल पे रहती हैं, these countries they are very cold and mostly they are covered with snow. 6 months sun does not set and for the next 6 months sun do not rise. Okay, and winters are very cold here. The temperature goes from -37 degree C. Okay, so few examples of the countries which are of polar region are like Canada is there, Greenland is there, Iceland is there, Norway is there. Okay, Sweden is there, Finland is there, in USA Alaska is there, Russia, maybe which country states हैं. So all these are what they are, polar regions. Okay, so now we will discuss in detail about the polar region. We will see some of the animals like the polar bear are there, penguin is there. These are which animals? Polar bear and penguin are polar region animals. Okay, polar bear and penguin. So next what we have to see, we will see their adaptation, how these polar bear and penguin they adapt in a weather where it is very cold, where there is a snowfall all the time, where the temperature is very low. Okay, so let's see that. So in the next part of the video, the polar region animals, that is the polar bear and penguin will be discussed. Now we will discuss something about the tropical rainforest. Okay, so we have seen that the polar region is the place which is situated near the poles, either on the north pole or on the south pole. Here the tropical region are generally the place which is located around the equator. Where it is located? It is located around the equator. Okay, and the polar region was located are those regions which are located around the poles, not pole or south pole. ठीक है, ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट वो रीजन्स हैं, वो कंट्रीज हैं, वो स्टेट्स हैं जो कि कहाँ लोकेटेड होते हैं, इक्वेटर के पास लोकेटेड होते हैं, जबकि पोलर रीजन होते हैं जो पोल्स के पास होते हैं, नॉर्थ पोल या साउथ पोल. they have a hot climate. Which type of climate they have? They have hot climate. Okay. So even in the coldest month, the temperature are generally higher than 15 degrees C. They have a hot climate. Even in winters, or you can say even in the time when the months are cold, the temperature is higher than 15 degrees. Okay, Celsius. So during hot summers, the temperature crosses 40 degrees C. Okay, so during hot summer, the temperature crosses 40 degrees C. Whereas in the polar region हमने क्या देखा था? पोलर रीजन में टेम्परेचर बहुत लो होता है, -37 डिग्री सी कर जाता है. ठीक है, बट यहाँ पे क्या है कि टेम्परेचर जो है विंटर्स में भी 15 डिग्री सेल्सियस से ऊपर हो सकता है और हॉट समर्स में तो 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस क्रॉस हो जाता है. ठीक है, सो डेज एंड नाइट आर ऑलमोस्ट इक्वल थ्रू आउट द ईयर. यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि डेज और नाइट ऑलमोस्ट इक्वल होती है, जबकि हमने क्या देखा था पोलर रीजन में क्या होता है कि 6 months तक सन डज नॉट सेट एंड फॉर द अदर 6 months द सन डू नॉट राइज. तो बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि वहाँ पे दिन बहुत लंबा होता है, मतलब रात होती ही नहीं है. बट यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं है, डेज एंड नाइट्स आर इक्वल. डेज एंड नाइट्स आर ऑलमोस्ट इक्वल. ओके, आप इंडिया में ही ले लीजिए, ये ऑल्सो अ ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट. यहाँ पे क्या होता है 12 घंटा दिन माना जाता है, 12 घंटे की रात मानी जाती है. ऑलमोस्ट, नॉट ऑल द टाइम बट ऑलमोस्ट. ओके, सो नाउ सम ऑफ द कंट्रीज which are the example of tropical rainforest are the first country in which we live, that is India. Then Malaysia, Indonesia is there, Brazil, Republic of Congo is there, Kenya is there, and like this so many, Nigeria is there, so many countries are there. Okay, so if you have to write the example like India, Indonesia, Kenya is there, Nigeria. Okay, so all these are some of the examples. Malaysia is also there. Okay, so these are some of the examples. Now we will, like I have told you that for the polar region we will be discussing for two animals, that is the polar bear and lion. Similarly, for the tropical rainforest we have got some of the animals like red-eyed frog is there. A red-eyed frog, we will see how this red-eyed frog they adapt in the tropical rainforest. Okay, so one we will discuss the red-eyed frog. And monkeys are there, how they adapt themselves in the tropical rainforest. And then we will talk about some of the birds. What generally happens here in the tropical rainforest, the weather is very hot. यहाँ पे बहुत गर्मी पड़ती है, तो बहुत सारी birds हैं which what happen, they migrates. Okay, so all these we will be discussing in the part 3. So here I have taught you about, in this part we have discussed about climate. We have seen the adaptation of animal. We have not discussed the examples exactly, but we have seen, we have talked about the polar region and we have talked about the tropical rainforest region. Please keep on watching my video for getting the more information. In the part 3 we are going to discuss from the polar region, the polar bear and the penguin. And here in the tropical rainforest we will be discussing the red-eyed frog, monkeys, and we will see some of the birds how they migrate themselves just to protect themselves from cold or from winters. Okay, from hot or cold region. We will discuss Siberian birds and all. Okay, so this was all for today. Here I complete my part 2. And if you are not subscribed you like my video, please give a like button. Your valuable comments, suggestions are accepted. Please, if you have any comment or you want to give any